In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record any restricted app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so screen recording restricted apps depends on the app's security settings. Some apps like Netflix, Snapchat, and banking apps block screen recording for privacy and copyright reasons. However, there are some ways to try and record. So I've jotted down a few different methods that we can try. Method one is to use a third-party screen recorder. So some third-party screen recorders bypass restrictions that built-in recorders can't. Apps like AZ Screen Recorder or MobiZen might work. So install a third-party screen recorder from the Play Store or App Store, then open the screen recorder and start recording before launching the restricted app. Switch through to the restricted app and check if it records. Method number two, use screen mirroring to a PC. So if the app blocks direct screen recording, try mirroring your phone screen to a computer and record from there. So Windows method, you can use a tool called SC Crappy, free and open source, or a power mirror. Connect your phone via USB and enable USB debugging in developer options. Start mirroring and record your PC screen. Mac method, use QuickTime Player if you have an iPhone. Connect via lightning cable and select your iPhone under new movie recording. Start recording. Number three is for Android only, modify developer options. So some restrictions can be bypassed through developer options. Go to settings, about phone, tap build number 7 times to enable developer options. Open developer options and find disable secure flag. Available in some ROMs. Try recording again. You can also use a parallel space or virtual machine apps. So apps like Island, VMOS, or Parallel Space create a separate environment where some restrictions may not apply. Install the restricted app inside VMOS or Parallel Space. Run the app in the virtual environment. Use a screen recorder inside the virtual app. You can also use Google Assistant or voice commands. So some of these, by saying, hey Google, start screen recording, might bypass restrictions. We've also got rooting or custom ROMs. This is for advanced users. So if you're tech savvy, rooting your Android phone and using modules like Expose Framework or Magisk can remove screen recording restrictions. Note, bypassing screen recording restrictions may violate app policies or laws depending on the app. For example, banking app streaming services. So always use these methods responsibly.